Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about quadratic expressions and equations. We have been given a question. We are being told to simplify 16x squared minus 9y squared on the numerator, then 4x squared minus xy minus 3y squared on the denominator. When you are given such kind of equations, this is so simple. You just basically find the square root of the numerator. If you find the square root of the numerator, you are going to have the square root of, so I'm going just to get the square root of 16x squared minus 9y squared. So I get the square root of the, without considering the sign in the middle. So the square root of 16 is 4. The square root of x is, x squared is x. Then the square root of 9 is 3. The square root of y is, y squared is y. Someone will wonder, how are we getting the square root of x squared? The square root just basically means a number raised to a half, so the 2 goes with the 2, so we remain with a x. So we are going to have 4x minus 3y. And remember, when a value is, we all know that a plus b into brackets a minus b is equal to the same thing we apply here, where a plus b, a minus b, is a plus b, a minus b, same as a squared minus b squared, which is the same concept. So it's the same concept we are going to apply here. So we are just going to change the sign here to have 4x plus 3y, and we've solved the numerator. You go to the denominator part. So this is the numerator part of it. This is the numerator. You go to the denominator. To solve the denominator, you look at the denominator. We have 4x squared minus xy minus 3y squared. The question here is so simple. Which number do I multiply? So the product is 4 times negative 3, which is negative 12. So the product is negative 12, and then the sum is negative 1. So which number do I multiply to get negative 12? And I add to get negative 1. This will be probably, by just looking at it, this will be 4 and 3. If I multiply, negative 4 and 3. If I multiply negative 4 and 3, I'll get negative 12. And if I add the 2, I'm going to get negative 1. So the number is negative 4 and 3. So I substitute in. I'm going to have 4x squared minus 4 minus 4xy plus 3xy minus 3y squared. I factor out, I pair them into 2. So if I factor out the most occurring value here, it will be 4, the 4x I mean. So this will be 4, this will, I'll remain with x here, and then minus y. Then the other one, the most occurring value is 3y. So I will have plus 3y. The most occurring value, I factor out 3y. This will be x minus y. So the whatever is in the bracket is equal or is the same. So 4x plus 3y, x minus y. So automatically this is my denominator. And then I come and look at what I got in the numerator. It was 4x minus 3y. Then I got also 4x plus 3y. This 2 is over 4x plus 3y. Then x minus y. And then I cancel out the similar ones, this one and this one. So I'm going to remain with 4x minus 3y all over x minus y. And this is my answer. This will be my answer. So there are several things to note when you're solving this. There are several things to note. First of all, when you're given such kind of equations, it cannot be twisted beyond this. The concept still apply, that is applied is still the same. So when you find the numerator, you just first of all get the square root of the numerator. And if maybe you have to select the most occurring value, and then before you find the square root, it's also allowed, depending on the question, how it has been asked. And this is how you just go about it and get all the 3 marks. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.